Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 3D printer is an advanced 3D printing solution that stands out as an exceptional choice for working with a variety of materials. This printer is compatible with EcoAbs, nylon, PET, and PLA filaments, making it versatile for various printing needs. It features an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle that can heat up to 280 degrees Celsius and a removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, allowing for seamless printing of 1.75mm filaments. Recognized for its excellence, the Dremel Digilab 3D45-01 3D printer has been awarded PCMag.com's 2022 Editor's Choice Award for Best 3D Printer for Professionals and Small Businesses. It has also earned recognition as a Google for Education partner, underlining its suitability for educational and professional settings. Built to endure daily use, it's particularly suitable for architecture, engineering, university, and commercial 3D printing applications. Ease of use is a hallmark of this printer, featuring a guided setup process that facilitates a quick transition from unboxing to printing within a few minutes. The printer's 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen offers an intuitive interface for seamless navigation through various functions. Additionally, the built-in RFID reader automatically detects the 1.75mm Dremel filament placed inside and optimizes the print settings accordingly. Number 2. Toybox 3D Printer. The Toybox 3D printer is a cutting-edge device tailored to empower children in the exciting world of 3D printing. Engineered with a keen focus on kid-friendliness, this innovative printer offers a hassle-free experience, designed to be easily operated with simple one-touch functions. Unlike traditional 3D printers, it eliminates the need for adult assistance, featuring a removable print bed that requires no adjustments and a user-friendly filament loading mechanism. Notably, the print bed design ingeniously negates the requirement for a knife to remove prints, ensuring safety and ease of use. One of the standout features of the Toybox 3D printer is its expansive catalog of toys, providing access to thousands of fascinating designs at the fingertips of young creators. The catalog is consistently updated with new toys on a weekly and seasonal basis, offering an ever-growing array of options to choose from. Number 3. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D printer, specifically the Finder 3 model, offers an impressive set of features and capabilities that make it a valuable addition to the world of 3D printing. This printer boasts a significant increase in build volume compared to its predecessor, the Finder 2, with a 270% larger build volume. This expansion not only enhances the chances of achieving a flawless first layer but also increases its compatibility and versatility for a wider range of applications. One standout feature of the Finder 3 is its high-temperature nozzle, capable of reaching up to 260 degrees Celsius. This nozzle's versatility allows for the use of various filament materials, opening up a world of printing possibilities. Whether you're working with or other materials, the Finder 3 delivers excellent performance, making it suitable for diverse 3D printing projects. The printer's build surface is another highlight, featuring a glass platform and a magnetic build plate. This combination ensures strong adhesion to the printed model and rapid heating of the heat bed. Furthermore, the build plate is not only durable but also flexible, making it easy to remove completed prints with minimal effort.